Get out of everywhere. Hello,
Good
happy
job,
birthday, Audrey.
Good.
This is Audrey's first birthday.
All right.
Camden's very eager to help, assist with the
Audrey,
gift.
good.
Hey, baby, look. Oh,
Thank
yeah.
you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh, Camden. Let her do it, buddy.
This one's from Grandma and Grandpa Hayes, Audrey.
Hey, Audrey.
Camden, let her do it.
Camden,
Can we
please?
try and let her do it?
Let her. Oh, Kate, take your hands off it and let her finish.
Let her pick it up. There you go. Hey, Audrey, look. Look at that.
Who did it?
What is it? I don't know. It's a storybook that has lots of fun things.
Nursery rhyme.
Let her look at it, Camden. It's hers. You let her look at it.
You press, girl. Press, Audrey. Press the